hiding something.
Well, I can tell by the fact that you drank vodka that you are too.
You first. Fine. Fine. I wasn't 100% honest.
Me neither.
Wow, really? Wow, that was terrible. Least sexy things since before we started.
I mean, I don't know.
So what? Is our chemistry just purely intellectual, only in our heads?
Before we break up. I thought you should get to play the princess one last time.